Good morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader at 7:49 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday, June 13th, 2021. This is not financial advice. It's educational only. Twitter link below if you'd like to click on it and get the updates in between the videos that I do daily. If you want to stay up to date with the latest videos as and when they come on so that you are notified, if you're, really itchy to get them, then you can click the subscribe button and you will get notified. Okay, so let's get into NuCypher. Still at 43.7 cents. We saw some relatively positive action overnight on the price action for NuCypher. But let's also understand that Bitcoin's been in a boring mode this weekend, which is actually what we want. Now, taking a look at where we're at here, this is the NuCypher US dollar pair. We have this downward broadening wedge, which I always say is a bullish pattern. It's bullish. It becomes real bullish once we get past this line here. So it's at 48 cents. It's a proper, 50% above where we're at. But you pass this and then you're off to the races and you're up another 100%. So that's what we're kind of looking for. We need to resolve past this yellow broadening wedge. We need to get above this top resistance line on this broadening wedge that has started since February. So we'll keep our eye on this. We'll talk now about the two pieces that make up NuCypher US dollar, which is Bitcoin US dollar, and NuCypher Bitcoin. Let's take a look. So Bitcoin is still over the range. A little bit of a pullback last night. You see, we bounced right off that line again at like 1 in the morning. This morning, bouncing properly back up. So we'll see what happens here. Tomorrow morning is Monday morning. So Monday morning, obviously at 8:30. Even tonight, we'll start to see some price discovery one way or the other, up or down. So tonight around 8:30, once Asia business markets open, I think we'll start to see a little more volatility in Bitcoin. It's been too sleepy this weekend. NuCypher Bitcoin pair, fairly decent rally. We're at 867. Take a look overnight, we were down to 825, a good 10-15% move here. May 27 and 950. We're kind of consolidating around here at 870. It's a fairly healthy place, relatively speaking. And if you look at the smile line, we're still well snugly in that smile line. Let's take a look at some Bitcoin macro news real quickly so people are aware, because it is one of our fundamental components of the NuCypher US dollar pair. Jack Dorsey hinting at Lightning Network integration on Twitter. So this is pretty key. I mean, this is like, there's true adoption at the core corporate level that people should be aware of. Talking about how at some point it's just only a matter of time for it to happen. So I think people already have it in the back of their head that they're going this way, which is really good. And then finally, what would happen next after this Taproot? Taproot will help us with getting into a better environment for Bitcoin. Now, by the end of the year, what we're expecting is that Bitcoin will have a dramatic improvement around its speed of transactions. It's going to be cheaper. It's going to use less energy. And furthermore, it will allow for multiple signatures on these transactions. So making it slightly more competitive with Ethereum. And it's been a long-awaited upgrade to the Bitcoin network. And I think this is fantastic as well. Again, it's servicing more the transaction side. I'm not big on the transaction side as much as I am around the store of value, the store of value play. So, but still, I think it just widens out their net for those that are into Bitcoin as a transaction layer. I think this is a great upgrade. Anyway, that upgrade will probably happen by the end of the year. We shall see how this goes, and I'll keep you all updated on that as well. Anyway, I'm out. Have a good rest of your weekend. Take care.